Hi second graders, I'm going to teach you really quickly how I made that digital Mother's Day card in PicCollage. Instead of tapping on the blue freestyle, you will tap the yellow square with the white heart that says templates. That means there are some screens that are already made for you just for certain occasions. So in the middle here, you're going to see Mother's Day. You can either scroll all the way across or you can tap the button that says See All right here above the Mother's Day row. And then make sure you do not choose one that says VIP because we know those are the ones we have to pay for. So the first thing you need to do is decide how many photos you have. So maybe go through and see if you have any photos of you and your mom, but you might want to take some on your iPad since you probably don't have any on there already. You can take a selfie, or you can have someone else take a picture of the two of you, or you can just take a picture of your mom or your grandma or your aunt looking pretty one day and just insert that in here instead. But you will need some pictures of them. So if you have one picture, you would want to do one like this, where there's space for one picture. If you have more than one picture, you're going to want to find some with some spaces for more than one picture. So I think I'm going to choose... Let's see, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I have two pictures that I really want to use. How about this one? Okay, I have two pictures that I'm pretending this is from Sarah. So I'm going to tap these two pictures. They're already on my camera roll. And here they are. So now that I have these in place, I'm going to go in to add some stickers. Now, if you want to go find some stickers about Mother's Day, these are all the ones we've downloaded before when they were free. But they actually in the store, let me show you the store again. Bottom left, that pink circle, I searched Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, and look down, Mother's Day. And you will be able to scroll down and find some that are free. These two that say use and use, I already downloaded those because they were free. So get some stickers in your sticker collection and you can scroll through. But look down here, when you tap stickers, all the stickers are going to be on the bottom. So I'm going to tap this one that says Best Mom. And I bet Sarah would choose something like this one and maybe these hearts. Okay, so I'm going to put I love my mom. How about, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Maybe shrink it a little. And maybe she would want these hearts right up here. I can shrink it with that little arrow. Put it right up there, whatever you want to do. And then I'm going to make a text box because Sarah would probably want to write a little note to me. She's just going to say, I love you, exclamation point. Then I'm going to click return, and she would probably say love, comma, Sarah. And I'm going to say, yep, that's what I want. Now, you know, we can tap on this little turquoise handle and we can change it. I'm going to double tap on it because I'm going to change the color. I might want the color to be purple, and I think I want the text to be different, so I tap on the T. I like that one. I think that's something she would like to make. So grab the handle, spread it out, and if you want it bigger, just make it as big as you want. And then when you're finished, friends, I want you to go ahead and click Done. And then you're going to do two things after this. One, you're going to tap on the oval that says Save to Library. That will save it to your camera roll, the rainbow flower. Then tap the three dots. And I do want you to send it to Seesaw because I would love to see it myself. Tap your name and tap the green check mark and it will go into your journal. Okay? Now, boys and girls, I can't wait to see this. Make it however you want. And boys and girls, you can also make more than one. You can make one for your grandma. You can make one for your mom. You can make one for all your grandmas. Somebody in your life that's special, you can make them a Mother's Day card. And also, boys and girls, make sure that you treat your mom and grandmas very, very special on Mother's Day because they sure do a lot for us, don't they? All right, I can't wait to see what you do. Have such a fun time.